You're exactly right. Here's a simple explanation of what reused content, not monetized, means on YouTube and how to fix it. What is reused content, not monetized? Reused content means you're uploading videos that aren't original or unique enough, so YouTube rejects your monetization application. Common examples: reposting TikTok, Instagram Reels, or shorts from other people, using copyright free videos like news, stock footage, without your own voice, face, or edits, repeating AI generated content with no personal touch, uploading slideshows, compilations, or background music loops with no transformation. Why YouTube rejects? YouTube wants original content with value creators who add something new, voice, explanation, creativity, videos that don't exist hundreds of times elsewhere. If your channel mostly has reused videos, they don't know who the real creator is, so you don't get monetized. How to fix it. Make your channel monetizable. What you should do. Why it helps add voiceover or commentary shows. You're the original creator. Show your face or reactions. Makes the content personal. Edit creatively. Cuts, effects, subtitles. Adds uniqueness. Teach, explain, or tell a story. Adds educational or entertainment value. Stop uploading unedited TikToks or other clips. Avoids duplication. Example: fix bad. Uploading a trending TikTok with no changes. Good. Reacting to that TikTok plus explaining what makes it go viral. Would you like me to review your channel type and suggest monetizable